Yeah, the female rappers got deeper voices than the men these days. They act harder than the men these days. They act more trifling than the men these days. The devil know what he doing. He want to take the cross and reverse it. You ever see them videos where they be walking in the, some of the rappers and stuff be having the upside down cross? That means I'm reversing the divine order of Jesus Christ and God. You see what I'm saying? They taking God's creation and turning it upside down. So you could think of all the things that the devil is trying to turn around and make it normal, right? You just think of it. All the things that the devil is trying to do, it shouldn't be hard to think. I'm quite sure you just thought of 4 or 5 of them right now, right? I don't got to go down the line. You already know. Yeah, man. The women are trying to desensitize. Everything is desensitized. They trying to make it normal to be trifling, normal to suck 5 ham bones in one day, every day of the year. They making it normal to deal with all these different guys. And they making it normal to get STDs and to be stank and to smell like fish and to stuff men's heads between their crouch. When y'all guys thinking cute, you think it's cool to be going down with these nasty, trifling, microscopic women? All these guys they dealing with, these nasty, stinking guys. And some of these guys are dealing with this and dealing with that and all that bacteria and germs. This ain't the times to be kissing no girl. Definitely ain't the times to be putting your head between no booyammy. This ain't the times, man. I mean, these are the times to be getting close to God and trying to find a clean, innocent, most innocent woman you can find. Women should be finding the most godliest man they should find. You know what I'm saying? Ain't got to be, hopefully, most likely he in church, but he may not always be in church and still be a godly man, because godliness is a way of life. It's not a building. It's not an act. It's reality. Godly men not always acting perfect. A godly man, he'll tell you his faults. He'll tell you, hey, I be looking at women, but be looking at their cheeks. A real man of God will tell you his flaws. A fake man of God act like he perfect, like the Pharisees that prayed and put on a show out in public. But Jesus always chose disciples that were humble and that will tell you their flaws and faults. You know what I'm saying? So anybody who act like they perfect, they not close to God. Because God don't use fake people. He don't use people that seem like they perfect. He use down-to-earth people that can admit their flaws and faults to the world. I know I can. I'm not perfect, man. But these rappers are going hard, man. City Girls, Doja Cat, all these different. It's a lot of female rappers that's just trifling, man. They trying to be more trifling than the next. And the devil's sitting back laughing. He's sitting back cracking up. His legs all the way up in the air laughing. The devil is on his back cracking up. Don't make them laugh no more, man. Stay prayed up in Jesus' name. Read your Bibles, man. Go to church. Ain't nobody perfect. The preacher not even perfect. But he still can give you a good message, man. So, be careful with songs. Music is powerful. Don't forget Satan had his hands on the music in the spiritual world. Remember? In heaven? He had his hands on the music world. So, that's why the devil love working through music. People listen to music 24/7. Anyway, I'm Allan Reallionaire, man. Stay prayed up. Hey, hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a next video. Hit the notification right there. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification. Keep those likes up, man. It helps the algorithm. Okay. I'll holler at y'all later, man. Follow me on Instagram at Allan Reallionaire Show. And it's at Allan Reallionaire Show. And on Instagram, we can do a consultation, or you can get some of my latest relationship and health techniques and products. My latest one now is a lot of guys been getting it. It's making a lot of guys' ham bones get 2 inches longer, 2 inches thicker. It made mine. At first, I just thought it was just me because everybody's body different. So so far, most of the guys, they saying it's working for them too. From, you know, the ones that reached out, nobody in complaint said it didn't work. So if you think it might work for you, if you want to try it out, I'll tell you what we've been eating. You know, message me on Instagram and I'll tell you what I've been eating. You know, and hopefully you get the same results we did. And we slinging on the erection. You know what I'm saying? That we hawking out. We hawking out on them women. But man. But yeah, hit me up on Instagram if you want that product, guys. I'll holler at y'all later, man. I'm out. Stay prayed up. The notification, follow me on Instagram, Allan Reallionaire Show. Consultation and health and relationship products and techniques. I'm out. I never knew it was something really out here that can actually make your dick a little bigger and your dick thicker. I mean, I just never could understand. I never could fathom something that really can do that. I've been eating this shit, man, from the store every day, and I just happen to like it. But I didn't realize that. I said, man, why the fuck is my stomach getting flatter and unnecessary fat that I had on my body is disappearing? And I noticed that my dick got longer and my dick got thicker. What the fuck going on here? I started thinking, what have I been doing different? Come to find out, it's that shit I've been eating. If you want to know what I've been eating, message me. It's $20. Message me on Instagram at Allan Reallionaire Show. All right? And I tell you, this shit is wild, man.
Allan Reallionaire, that's my guy, man. He's the truth. He wasn't lying, man. Like, really works. I ain't gonna put you on. You gotta do what I did to get on, but definitely gonna get them gains. You might have to tuck your jump off under your belt by your belly button because you're gonna be walking around with a heart on. You wasn't lying, bro. Definitely works. Go check my man out, Allan Reallionaire. One.
Hey guys, I've been getting emails about guys that took my ham bone remedy that is working for them as well. You know, I originally told you guys it was working for me, but it's working for guys from all over the world. So hurry up and message me on Instagram at Allan Reallionaire Show if you want that remedy. It's good for your overall health as well as your ham bone, your dick, so you can dick and grow and be strong and healthy, and you can please the woman you love. Allan Reallionaire Show on Instagram.
What's up? This your boy Soulja Boy. Make sure y'all check out my boy Pookie, man, and Ray Reallionaire Dance Challenge videos on TikTok, man. Song 5, man. Check them out ASAP, man. Check out my main man, Allan Reallionaire YouTube channel. Let's get it.
Pookie Ray Ray, Pookie Ray Ray, Pookie Ray Ray, Pookie Ray Ray. He Pookie, I'm Ray Ray. He Pookie, I'm Ray Ray. Yeah. He Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray. It's Pookie and Ray Ray.
Ray Ray, I'm Pookie, your ex-girlfriend.
Oops, my bad.
Your wifey out here choosing. First day that I met her, that's the same day you start losing. She got you fooled. You think she the angel type, but I just filled her mouth with ooze. And she swallowed it, all of it. No shame on her face. We having so much fun today. It's like her 21st birthday. Then she told me she ain't never did nothing like this on no first day. Then I asked her where your husband at. She say he working. She said you make a whole lot of money. And she told me she gon' be there for me if I need something. She say you give her anything she asks for, like it's nothing. She called you a walking lick, say that's why you her husband. She put that monkey on you, you addicted to the loving. You believe her love for you is genuine, you bugging. Who she pretend to be when she with you, that is a hustle. And she gon' play that role on you forever cause you love her. In your eyes she can't do no wrong cause you put her above you. But I got her hands tied behind her back giving me oral. She let me have her way with her, she obey all my orders. She know she here to give me pleasure whenever I want her. You treat her like a princess but I treat her like a woman. You see her as equal, I see her as my opponent. Her nature is gon' make her always test the one who's stronger. If If you let her break you down, she'll respect you no longer.
Say she looking for a man now, a high value kind of type. One with a whole lot of money, who gon' commit to her and come home at night. Help raise her kids, but she ain't got nothing to offer. After wasting all her good energy on men who really her enemy. Like a lot of these women, she had her choice of plenty good men who willing to spend, upgrade her whole life and buy her a Benz. But she ain't want that, too busy out chasing Pookie and Ray Ray. Back to back visit to the clinic, now she in need of a cleanse. Now she wanna play victim, and she mad now cause she got tricked and finessed. Threw away the best years of her life, sliding from pole to pole. Always chasing a drift for a thrill that's only infecting her soul. Always chasing a drift for a thrill that's only infecting her soul. Ray Ray, Ray Ray.